Let's get you set up on MetaMask. So first I'm going to go to metamask.io. You can install a Chrome or a Firefox add-on. Click Add. So it's been successfully added. So you're going to click Create a Wallet because this is a new wallet. I always click No Thanks to sharing any data. So you have to pick a password. This is the password you'll use just to log into it on your computer. So this is the secret backup phrase. This is the thing that you can use to recover your wallet from any computer. It's also the thing that you need to protect 110%. So I've backed it up right here, but you should back it up on paper. So now it's going to ask me to make sure that I've saved my backup phrase correctly. So I'm going to re-enter it now by join today, March, lunch, hurry, step, catch up, hurry, step, catch up, tonight, draw, impulse, tonight, draw, impulse, dignity, fault. Okay, congratulations, I passed the test. Okay, and now you've got MetaMask. I'm just going to show you up here is the icon for the extension. You can click here, it will show you your balance. You can copy your send to address. You can also send and put in an address.